In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the tools inside of Register 360 to clean up your scan data. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to a bundle cloud, and you can see here that I have some information that I don't actually require within my scan data. The first thing I'm going to do is go to top-down view, and I'm going to use our polygon tools to section down the data to the area of scan that I actually wish to keep. In this instance, I'm going to use the circle tool, and I'm going to very simply just select the area that I want to have my data. At the bottom here you can see I can delete everything that's either inside or outside of my environment. I can also restore points inside and outside. And I have the options to delete visual points and also points that are used for our cloud-to-cloud registration. By ticking the box for Edit Cloud-to-Cloud Points, we're removing the points outside of the area when we're doing our final cloud-to-cloud optimization. I'm simply going to delete the information that is outside of this, which is outside of the scope of what I want to work with. I have several ways of cleaning my scan data, and the first method we're going to take a look at is the Detect Moving Objects. Going back to my 3D, you can see I have some people standing within my scan. To start to automatically remove some of these, I can simply right-click on my bundle, and I can select Detect Moving Objects. Once this is completed, I can simply hit the Show Moving Points, and this will reveal any points in red that are different from one scan location to the other. I can then simply delete all of those marked points to remove them from my scan. As you can see, I still have some data that I don't need. I'm going to manually remove this by creating a quick limit box. The first thing I'm going to do is set my quick limit box size, and then I'm going to simply pick a point on the ground. Here you can see I have the limit box around the object that I want to remove, and I can simply edit that box to show only the information that I want to manipulate. Once I have the limit box set, I can simply hide off the limit box. If I go to a side view, I can simply use my point cloud cleaning tools, in this instance the polygon tool, to select the area that I want. Again, making sure that I've got my cloud-to-cloud points enabled, and I can delete the information inside that. If I go back to my bundle cloud, you can then see that that information has been removed from my point cloud. I can simply rinse and repeat and continue to do this throughout the rest of my project. The next step in this process will be to look at how we then go about applying survey control to our point cloud to bring it onto our grid system.